Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Volkswagen Touareg 3.0 TSI V6 Black Edition Tiptronic 4Motion. This vehicle is a petrol with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in pure white metallic paint. To start off with, then you have your LED premium matrix beam headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 21-inch 5-split spoke gloss black finish alloy wheels, really complementing against the pure white metallic exterior colour. Along the side of the vehicle you can find your privacy glass, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire for any journey. You also have an electronic deployable tow bar, allowing you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan for those weekend getaways. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electronic boot lid, and once open you can find that you've got a large amount of room. You could easily fit in a pushchair or perhaps even a large size suitcase. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the R-line embossed leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and once again you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. The driver's seat in this vehicle is electronically adjustable, allowing you to find a comfortable position, and then once you've found this position you can save it, as it is a memory seat as well. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 42,708 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with this, you also have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, supported via a USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. You also have a dual zone climate control, where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have, especially on those colder days. This vehicle also features different driving modes, including off-road, snow, eco, and of course your sport mode, making this vehicle suitable for most terrain and driving experiences. This vehicle also features air suspension, which allows you to raise or lower the vehicle whether you're about to go off-roading or perhaps loading heavy luggage. You also have an area view camera, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing into those difficult parking situations so much easier than before. This has been a presentation on the Volkswagen Touareg 3.0 TSI V6 Black Edition Tiptronic 4Motion that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.